In today's video, we show how to add geolocation information for IP addresses using the Cloudera Cyber Security Platform. The traffic that we have here is SQUID events. They are accessing HTTP URLs in the internet, and the access log contains a destination address, which is the destination address of that URL. So it's helpful to have the information about the location to know which countries we're reaching out to through the proxy. The SQUID event has an IP dest address, and we're going to add the geolocation to that IP address. So let's go to the configuration UI. We're going to locate the SQUID sensor and click on the pencil to edit it. We're going to click on the schema to expand it. Then select the IP dest adder field. Click on the pencil to edit it. Drop down the enrichments. Select Geo. Click Save. Scroll down to click Save for the sensor. And now let's go and create some traffic on our SQUID proxy. We'll go back, and we'll go back to the Alerts UI, and let's see what our latest traffic here. Our latest traffic has now, in some cases, the city and the country for that IP address. If we click on the details for the event, we can see all of the geocoding information is contained in the enrichments.geo fields that are added to the event. And when this event is stored at the end of the ingestion pipeline, we have all of this geocoding information stored with the event so that we know that if the geocode of an IP address changes, then we'll always have whatever the geocode was at the time of ingestion. We'll see that various IP addresses will have different types of information that are captured in the MaxMind database. And so different events will have different IP addresses will have different levels of information included in them. So we can see that some IP addresses have cities associated with them, and some do not have cities, and in this case, most of them have countries. We can also look here. The latitude and longitude coordinates are coming out for the IP address, so that if we want to include these IPs on a map, we can do that as well. Metron is able to geolocate these IP addresses because it's loading in a data file, and the location of this data file can be downloaded from an HTTP request from the MaxMind site, or if you're not connected to the internet, you can also download that data file and store it locally so that you can then load it into your Metron configuration. So to set the location of the geocoding data file, you can go to the Metron, go to Mbari, go to the Metron service, select configs for that service, and then select enrichment tab. And then the first setting on the enrichment tab is the URL for the geocoding database. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you soon for the next one.